Have you ever run into a situation where your dependencies just won't update, even though you know there are newer versions available? It's frustrating, isn't it? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the issue of Composer not updating outdated dependencies. I completely understand how annoying it is when you see that there are updates available, but your Composer just won't cooperate. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face this issue, and it can really slow down your workflow. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "Why does Composer say there is nothing to install or update, even though I see newer versions available?" They mentioned that the package in question was indirectly installed, and they are confused about how to resolve this. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together. So, what could be causing this? Composer may not update dependencies if they are not directly required in your project, or if the version constraints in your Composer JSON file are not allowing the update. We'll break it down step by step so you can figure out what's going on. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you manage your Composer dependencies more effectively. To begin resolving the issue with outdated dependencies, the user should first check the current version of Composer. This can be done by running the command composer-version in the terminal. Next, the user should clear the Composer cache. This can help resolve any inconsistencies with the package versions. The command to clear the cache is composer clear cache. After clearing the cache, the user should try updating the dependencies again. They can do this by running composer update without specifying a package name. This will attempt to update all dependencies. If the issue persists, the user should check the composer.json file for any version constraints that might be preventing the update. They should look for the require section and ensure that the version for PHP documenter/type resolver allows for the latest version. Finally, if all else fails, the user can try removing the package and then reinstalling it. This can be done by running composer remove PHP documenter/type resolver, followed by composer require PHP documenter/type resolver. Did you know? Composer was created in 2011 and has since become the go-to dependency manager for PHP. It's amazing how far we've come in managing our code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that version constraints in your Composer JSON file might be preventing the upgrade. They explain that since the versions are pre-release, these constraints can affect even minor versions. If you're confident there are no breaking changes, edit your Composer JSON file accordingly. After making the change, try running Composer update again to see if it resolves the issue. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Regularly review your composer.json file and keep your dependencies updated. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to update your Composer dependencies without any issues. Remember, keeping your dependencies updated is key to a smooth development process. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our bonus tip on managing Composer effectively.